a few minutes back. There you are now. Back to the
100-meter
hurdles.
hurdles.
Yes.
Yes.
SAF record by all athletes anywhere in the world is Jyoti Araji at Chengdu in China, 12.78.
I was there.
2023.
I was there when she did that.
Amazing, was
there.
it?
It was amazing.
Oh yes, both of them were there. Samardeep and Purva. Well, what a time to watch Jyoti Araji do that. 12.78.
It was
And
crazy.
The meet record is Fonseca of Sri Lanka, 13.84. She is coming out of an injury, Jyoti Araji. Mm, that's right. Yes, something which always.
I have
worries.
seen her rehab program that she's been posting on Instagram. It's amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah, it's very inspirational, I think.
Yes. So
Because coming back from an ACL injury, it's very scary for any athlete.
yes.
Very scary.
Modern science, thank God, is now, doing wonders to all of you all. Go back to the 40s and the 50s when we had wonderful doctors, but medical science. Was
Many
not,
careers have ended after
yes,
such an injury.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, careers have ended. We'll get to the introduction of the women's 100 meters hurdles out here. Momita Mandal in number 3, Lakshika Sugan in 4, Sri Lanka, Nandini K in 5, and Hapura Yarachi Vatsala Kumari, the Sri Lankan, is in 6. There are 4 starters there on a picture frame. Watch out for the 2 Indians. Watch out for the 2 Sri Lankans. Let's be absolutely fair to all 4 of them.
Out of the 4, any 3 are going to be on the podium.
Yes, yes. Any 3 will be on the podium. But the gold looks always sweet.
Yeah, of course.
The yellow medal.
More the merrier.
Yes, more the merrier. Wonderful evening. The lights are on. Sunset early in the eastern part of India. So too in the north. Yes, good start there. Look at lane number 3. Look at lane number 3. Look at lane number 5. This is close. This is close. This is absolutely close. I love this. I love this.
my God.
Lane number 5. K. Nandini. What a race this turned out to be. What a race. The Sri Lankan, let's give it to her.
Yeah, of course.
Let's give it to her. She pushed this girl.
It was.
She
good.
pushed this girl. Gold medal number 8 for India. So 3 golds in quick time. So Nandini K 13.56, which is a meet record incidentally.
That's amazing.
Yes, Momita also betters the meet record, 13.81. Remember, the record was 13.84 and 13.98 to the Sri Lankan who was running in lane number 4, Lakshika Sugan.
I think she was the one who pushed them at
That's
the
right.
end.
Yes, she pushed them to make sure that the meet record, which is what is
It
the
was
beauty.
very interesting because
Yes,
it changed.
the 2 Indians there with the tricolor. Yes,
They
yes.
look so
What a
happy.
happy picture. What a happy picture. This is for us out here on our channel.
2 on the podium.
2 in the podium, gold and the silver, adding to the kitty. So the gold medal heap now starts piling up on the second day of the 4th South Asian Senior Athletic Championships 2025. I'm sure Purva will have a finishing word for her 2 colleagues out here for India before she perhaps goes down and meets the 2 wonderful girls out there. We'll hear much more about both of them, isn't
I'm
it?
really happy for both of them, and I'm really happy for our country that we have 2 players on the podium tonight. And I'm just happy that they both have bettered the record. That's
Yes,
amazing.
Yes. So thank you, Purva, for being here.
Thank you so much for
And,
having me.